Let's read Toot Toot. Toot Toot. Down on the farm, the cockerel is crowing. Tractor Ted is awake, but where is he going? Toot Toot, he says as he passes by. Over the field full of cows eating grass. Where are you going, Tractor Ted, they ask. Toot Toot, he says as he passes by.
Yeah.
He drives on past the tractors as they plough and they mow. But where is he going? Nobody knows. Toot Toot, he says as he passes by.
Yeah.
Past a huge yellow combine harvesting wheat. Where is he going? Who will he meet? Toot Toot, he says as he passes by. He drives down past the barn and then he can see who he's been looking for. Who can it be? Toot Toot, he says as he passes by. Oh, it's Midge the dog, that's who. Tractor Ted says to her, I finally found you. Toot Toot, he says, as they both pass by.
Let's go see the farm with Tractor Ted. Let's go!
Let's read Tractor Time. Down on the farm, find tractors big and tractors small. Tractor Ted goes to look at them all. There are some that are red and some that are blue and some that are green. Tractor Ted, like you. There are steps leading up to the cab on the top and the key that turns to start and to stop. See where Farmer Tom sits, and cheeky Midge too, on a seat next to him, a seat with a view. There are lights on the front and a hitch on the back. It drives off to work down the bumpy farm track. There are so many jobs that a tractor can do. They can mow the grass and bale it too. What's this one doing? Tractor Ted wants to know. It's making the beds where the potatoes will grow. Tractors can lift and tractors can pull. They can help feed the animals, even the bull. So much to do in the fields and the barns. Tractors, such useful machines on the farm.
Let's go see the farm with Tractor Ted. Let's go!
Let's read Who Goes Moo. Who goes moo? Down on the farm, early one morning, Tractor Ted wakes, stretching and yawning. Midge has a problem. What can it be? I need to find milk for Farmer Tom's tea. Tractor Ted smiles and gives Midge a clue. Milk comes from an animal, one who says moo. Midge finds the chickens. What noise will she hear? Cluck, cluck, they go. Not moo, that's clear. Could it be horses munching their hay? No, Tractor Ted said. They say
No!
Oh no, says Midge. What can I do? How can I find the ones who say moo? Is it the pigs asleep in their sty? They go oink, oink. So Midge passes by. On to the dairy. Who will Midge meet? Look, lots of cows in a row, nice and neat. Moo, moo, say the cows. Midge barks with delight. It's the cows who give milk. Tractor Ted was right. Midge thanks Tractor Ted for the helpful moo clue. But she knows there is still one job left to do. To see Farmer Tom and let him know who gave him milk for his tea. It was the cows who say moo.